What is going on, guys? This is a Python picture password program you can do. It's a Python project you can do. Python picture password program. Use a picture as a password. See? Access granted. We're basically... This is the source code right here. This is the code right here, the full code. I'm going to be leaving it on screen for a little while and then scrolling through it so it shows fully. Pause your video, type it down, study it. See if we can... Look at the code. Picture password app. Use a picture as a password. It hides the letters and numbers in your picture, makes them very small and hides them within the picture. So small the eye can't see. It also takes into account the color of the picture and the position of the letters and numbers, your password within the picture. When you hide it in your letters and numbers, your password, your letters and numbers within a picture, if you hide them in there, it takes into account the position of those letters and numbers too in order to log in, and the color too in order to log in too as well. And then scans the picture with a scan line. It scans the picture with a scan line, and then if it passes, it scans for the password, the color, and the positions. And if it passes, you're about to log in. That's what this does. That's the source code, guys. Look at it, study it, pause the video. Let's give her a run. Nice. Cool. Nice. One more time. Nice. That's it. Switch this right here, avil38.jpg, to your picture file name in order for you to test it out. Make sure the picture and the script picture password.py, is in the same folder, so it will work. That's all you gotta do. That's it for the picture password program, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys next time. This is a Python project you can do for beginner and advanced users. Beginner and advanced. Improve upon it. Do whatever you want. I think you know what to do already. See you guys next time.